To glide reflect a point, tap the Glide Reflect tool. A preview appears of a point, a translation vector, and the glide reflected point. The pre-image point is glowing. Tap or drag to place it. I want to glide reflect point A, so I'll tap point A to attach the points. Now the tail of the vector is glowing. I'll tap to place it here. Now the head of the vector is glowing. I'll tap to place it here. The tool is complete. I've glide reflected point A. Notice that this vector serves two purposes. It is both my translation vector and my mirror line for the glide reflection. When I drag either the head or tail of the vector, the image point moves accordingly. Here is another example. I want to glide reflect triangle ABC, so I'll tap the Glide Reflect tool. A preview appears of a triangle, a translation vector, and the glide reflected triangle. The pre-image triangle is glowing. I want to glide reflect ABC, so I'll tap the interior of ABC to attach the two triangles. I'll continue by placing the vector, as I did before. The tool is complete.